side. Underneath that, there will be a bunch of extra things that you will need.
Alright, Dwayne, what you about to do right now?
About to build a PC, man. We gonna see, bro. This is my first time building, so got a little tutorial going on. I gotta see what's up, man. My boy Jason here, you know. Let's see. So we gotta take apart the motherboard. That little piece, bro. He said some little ass piece, bro. I don't have that though, I think.
An SSD, so I'll need a cable for that, and I'll need a second cable for the hard drive. If you're not installing an SSD or hard drive, then you don't need any of these cables.
I'm installing just the SSD.
If your motherboard has a built-in Wi-Fi, then you will.
Comes with a mini PS5?
Bruh. Mini PS5 is crazy.
It does look like a mini PS5, yo. That's just so deep. Alright, so we gotta get the cables out, man. Let's see. Hold on. Alright, we need this. We'll take this out the bag. I guess I'll just keep it in here for now, right? So it don't get messed up.
Yeah, you can put everything in here. Cause, nigga, you lose one shit, it's up.
Yeah.
As well. Okay. You will need this to connect to the internet after the PC is built. If your motherboard comes with an M.2 installation screw, then take that out as well.
Alright, there's mad screws though.
Nigga, every PC nerds down here.
Alright, bet. Put this shit down nicely. Yo, this is crazy, boys. What'd he say, bet?
And back. Make sure to grab the board from its sides. Afterwards, gently place it on top of the motherboard box. This will protect the board from getting damaged as we install the CPU, memory, and storage. We are now ready to install the CPU. Carefully open the
CPU. Alright, we got all this shit.
You have to be very careful with that.
Yeah, bro, this is nerve-wracking, bro.
Just buy another one.
Buy another one, it's crazy.
He's taking it out. Bro, this shit is so crazy, bro.
You put it on the box, like the cardboard, it goes on the motherboard too, you know?
Oh, I don't listen to this guy, bro.
He's trying to sabotage.
Yo, what do you play on, Xbox or PlayStation?
Xbox.
No wonder.
Nah, you play on PlayStation. This shit is so like packed together by little fucking pieces of cardboard that are folded. Alright, we here. Let's see.
That little thing.
This little piece right here. Little piece right here, $320.
The fact that runs everything is crazy.
Yeah. Alright, bet. Let's see.
Box and pull out the CPU from the protective case by holding it from its sides. Make sure not to touch the top surface of the CPU or the bottom, especially if you are using the The pins underneath the CPU can easily get bent, damaging the CPU in the process.
Oh, let's see.
Most CPUs have a triangle located on the corner. This indicates the direction you have to install the CPU onto the motherboard.
No triangle.
I'm going to show you the process of installing 3 different CPUs.
Oh my god.
We're basically matching the triangles together from the socket and the CPU. Afterwards, we're going to slide the lever to the right and up to open the socket. While grabbing the CPU from the sides, we're going to gently lower it down onto the socket. Afterwards, we're going to slide the lever to the right and up to open the socket. While grabbing the CPU from the sides.
To the right and up, but this one's different, so it's, oh yeah, slide it to the right and up.
Nah.
So then it removes this.
Oh shit.
Alright, that is a triangle, right? Alright, so triangle to triangle. Cool. Then he said to slide it. How am I supposed to slide it in, bro? I have no space to slide it in.
CPU will naturally fall in place. Before moving on, check all 4 sides of the CPU and make sure it is fully seated on the socket. If everything looks good, gently lower the lever down, locking the CPU in place. Congratulations, you just installed your CPU. Pretty easy so far, right? Okay, so we're installing an Intel CPU. So grab the CPU by its sides and look.
Alright. Yo, yo, no wonder, because I'm like, yo, bro, this doesn't seem right, bro. Oh, wait a minute. Something ain't right. Yo.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga, that's how I was like, yo.
That scared this shit popping off scared the shit out
I
of
was
me,
like, yo, bro.
I think that was the most hardest part you had to do.
Bro, I'm sweating like crazy right now, bro. That shit was OD.
Nigga, I flinched so hard when this shit came off,
Okay,
yo.
so you're one of
I say, come on, dude. Come on, dude.
steps for each additional one you're installing. Alright, we are now ready to prep the
There we
motherboard
go.
for the cooler installation. I'm going to show you how to install the stuff, tighten it back up. If you have more than one
Alright, we know how to put this in now. So let's take that out.
This is oh shit.
So this is the heating pad.
Oh shit. Yeah, but you don't open that yet. That's like
Right.
the last thing.
Alright, so I put the Intel processor in first.
You put this.
Alright, Jason.
Like this.
That shit clicked in, I think.
No, it's not clicked in yet. Shit. Ah, yeah, that clicked in. See, it's bringing it up. Now the pad. So I peel this and then put it, right?
You want to watch for?
Yeah, just make.
Imagine niggas do all this shit and fuck up at the last step and then you got this shit so it's just fucked.
Insert the M.2 SSD into the slot and push down on the other end so you can finish tightening it using the small screws. If you're using the motherboard cover, make sure to peel off the plastic from the thermal pad before putting it back on top of the M.2 SSD, and then you can tighten it back up. If you have more than one M.2 SSD, just follow the same steps for each additional one you're installing. Alright, we are...
Bet.
Careful, nigga.
Oh yeah, there you go. These are the pieces he was using. Like that. Yeah, this is exactly it. See if it comes with thermal paste attached already. Ooh. Yeah, it does.
Mm-hmm.
I just touched that shit. I'm an idiot. Yeah, it comes with thermal paste.
You don't gotta apply more?
I think it does. Nah, I would expect it to be laying down, right? It's not gonna be standing up. What?
Look what you doing. Look what your daddy doing. Look. It's your new toy. You gonna knock that over when you're grown.
Is it? Gotta press it harder. Let me get over there, Jason.
Yeah.
Alright.
You wanna stay there?
Yeah, for now.
Yeah, don't eat my sweater, alright?
There you fucking go. Alright, look at it, look at it.
It looks crooked, nigga. I'm looking at it from over here.
Oh shit! That shit looks stupid crooked, nigga. Thanks for telling me, bro. I'm like, wait, son ain't right.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, alright, bet we lit. Motherboard is placed into PC.
Yes, sir.
Somebody please call me.
start talking to the camera. You know, I gotta get used to talking to the camera. It's alright, though. We learn along the way. It's a process.
Okay. Niggas about to witness history.
Yeah, man, we gotta take over this Twitch shit, YouTube shit, everything.
Okay.
I just gotta up my content. Now with the PC, lit.
Lit, nigga. What? I need that.
So what you about to get?
I ate sushi, bro. Should I get some more food?
Shit, I'm about to feast, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't all day. You get a bowl?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a bowl. I'm gonna get light, don't like brown rice.
Kobe in the cut. Yes, sir. What you about to get, my boy?
I'm about to get a good ball.
We don't know to record. You about to see that shit?
That shit about to be bad dookie, nigga. Yo, bro, when you go to Chipotle, bro, come on now. You always gotta do this, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. It's complimentary around here, you feel me? Come on now.
Nah, bro, dragged it.
Some fat nigga shit, you feel me?
That's wild.
What a genius. Oh!
Fire.
Finally, nigga.
Nah,
Only
that's
took,
in.
only took, let's see, what time we got here? Like 6 o'clock?
It's not even done yet either. Opening the power supply.
Stop giggling, bro. You're giving me creepy vibes.
Well, shut the she said, shut the fuck up.
Let me see her. Let me see her.
No. Ah, he's pulling my hair.
It's crazy.
Yo, you pull my hair again.
I'm jealous.
What up, Aaliyah? What up, Aaliyah?
Alright, see. Sheesh.
Touch it.
Look, bro. All the
Wires.
cables, bro.
I'm telling
Look,
you,
Kelvin.
That's the easy part, bro.
Alright, bro, take over. Like, nah.
It's on my channel, nigga. Yo, get my shit, alright?
Copy. Don't need that. It's like, nah. Alright, power supply we can put to the side. We just need the cables for now.
7 hours later.
How many 7 fucking hours, nigga?
Bro.
Fuck.
First time.
Recording.
First time. It's 1:34, bro. What
After
time do we
7
start?
fucking hours, my boy.
I don't know what this vlog is like, bro. There's so much we didn't get because this was OD. But we finally did it, bro. This shit is crazy.
I'm sure it'll
be forever, bro.
7 fucking hours, my boy.
God. Man, this shit looking crazy, though.
Everything's spinning and shit?
Yeah, fans are spinning.
Every fan is spinning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
All the fans. It's just so quiet.
That's fire.
I said schnicks.
Yo, what's your fucking mouth? Oh, shit.
Yeah. Vlog life, man. Hold the camera. Cameraman behind the camera. Does it all.
Yo, Kelvin. Alright, my nigga.
Say what's up to the vlog, my boy. Yes, sir.
Here for like 7 hours.
Hit that trap like Max, hit the trap like Max, yeah. Hit the trap like Max, hit the trap like Max, yeah. Hit the trap like Max, hey. Hit the trap like Max.